Right, in this video we're going to solve the equation sine squared x is equal to 1 for x being between 0 and 360. So sine squared x is equal to 1 and we're solving between 0 and 360. So we've got sine x all squared. So in order to get to remove the square sign, we need to take the square root. So that'll give me sine x here. And if we take the square root of 1, we're going to get 1 again, but we have to consider it now plus or minus. Now, when sine or cos, when you do this, or is plus or minus 1 or comes out to be 0, it's best to use the graph to find the angles. So, drawing a graph of sine, and you should know what the graph of a sine looks like. It's just a sketch, okay? So you normally mark on 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, and then minus 1 and 1. The graph of sine looks like that. That's something you just need to know. It's knowledge that you need to just learn, that the graph of sine like that. Just a sketch, it's not an accurate plot. So I want to know where it's equal to 1. So it's equal to 1 here. So that gives me 90 degrees. Or, it's not equal to 1 again, but is equal to minus 1 at this point here. That gives me 270. So we get that x is equal to 90 or 270 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a simple trigonometric equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.